All right, we got a 3120 XP here, and took off the flywheel, cleaned it out in naphtha solvent in the parts washer, and just wanted to let you hear what the bearings sound like. And I don't know, that sounds pretty good to me. This whole area right here had a lot of grease in it. Somebody had siliconed around the oil pump. The oil pump pickup line was leaking. There was oil everywhere. And there was a lot of dirt behind this oil pump. So that's not good. These are steel cages though. That seems to be all right. Over here we got slight corrosion on the actual shaft of the crank, and I used the OEM Husqvarna tool, which is perfectly flat now, but I fixed it in the vise over there because this thing was bent like that, instead of flat. It was just like that. I mean, it was crazy. So the screws, so I had to give it a little tappy tap to get the flywheel off because I wanted to look at the seals. And probably a good idea to do the seals since I'm here. And I don't know, I have half a mind to suggest doing a full-on rebuild, like new bearings, but I have not decided yet. I mean, it sounds pretty good to me. But given the amount of heat that was put on the clutch side, and it seems like it might be the prudent thing to do to suggest new bearings. Let me know what you think.